Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about slicing or extracting a substring from a string. String slicing can be achieved through or for slicing we have to indicate a range in this format start end where the start position is included but the end position is excluded. So we are taking the example as equal to something Python. And here we know the indexing of the x, that is p. The character p from this word Python, p is in the position 0. That is s of 0 is p, s of 1 is y, and so on. So we are going to print s of 0, we will get the value p. So for string slicing, we have to specify the start and end position of the string. So from 0 to 4, we will get the substring pyth. So 0th position is p. So we are taking p to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but the fourth position is excluded. That we specified here. The end position is excluded. So we take the value from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 4 minus 1. That is 3. Third position. Third position. That is pyth will be the result. So if you want to take the string from the beginning to end, we only specify this column here. Then we will get the whole string as the result. And if you want to print the string from y to n, that is position 1 to the end of the string, then we specify one value and we will get the result ython. Okay, then if you are giving 4 to n position, we will get the result 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or to n. And if you are giving 4 to 5, then we will get the result o only. Okay, thanks for watching this video.